All right, well, right now, what I'm about to do is do a daily review and a trading combine update for today. This is going to show you my little review process. Today is April the 1st, 2024. I'm going to type market review. All right, so I took a couple trades today, and we're going to review those real quick, get myself a grade on the day, and then we're going to do a pre-market prep for tomorrow as well. So we're gonna go to screenshots. April 2024 day trades. And boom. All right, so my first trade was a stage 4 pullback. And then what I like to do is copy and paste my setup rules. Here. Boom. Paste this. All right, and then we're gonna draw. See and give this trade a grade. So the foundation to this trade is um a trend trade. So 10-minute chart. It's in stage 4. That's the A. Boom. Stage 4 pulls back to the 8. Not really. So we're gonna put an X on this. Boom. 1-minute chart is in stage 4 and pulls back to the 50 or previous support. Boom. I got that. We pull back to the 50. Signal price makes a double test, bearish divergence. Boom. We tested it once, push down. Boom. That second test touched that shooting star on this candle. And I had bearish divergence. So boom, that was good. Entry one tick below bearish, reversal candle closing below structure. Boom, got that. And protection above highest candle and setup. Boom, 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 boom. So this actually was a good setup. It just ended up not working out. So with that being said, I'll give this setup. I give this setup a B. And the reason I give this setup a B is because I'm gonna put a we're gonna make a whole another tab for notes. So I'm gonna put up on the notes. The main thing I noticed, this price was just really in no man's land. So it didn't come back and test a previous support level. It tested previous resistance, but usually I like to test a critical level, which is something like a pivot point, previous close, or previous support. So I'm putting no man's land on this. And usually when I have losing trades, that's where they happen at in no man's land. And the market really just wasn't moving today. Volume, I mean, it was moving. The volume wasn't there. And it really, if you didn't get it out by 10 o'clock, I feel like um, it really wasn't there. So I'm put good setup, but for the environment, the market is currently in. Look for great setups. So boom, we got that. That was that first trade, and then I also took one more and put that one in here. And this one was really a revenge trade. I mean, it was a pretty decent setup. So like on this one, I'm gonna ask myself, did I have the correct bias? Yes, just wrong location because after this setup, the market actually ended up going down pretty well. So I'm put correct bias, wrong location. And the same thing happened on this setup. So this setup really wasn't even in my plan. So first thing we're gonna do is put revenge trade because I really felt like I was trying to get it back. I was kind of testing my luck. But it actually wasn't a bad trade because we made that impulse down, came back and tested it, and made a dark cloud candle, and I was looking to short, but I just had my protection at the wrong spot. So I'm gonna just put trade location. I'm gonna just put stop to type. And this was an impulse trade, so range trade, impulse trade, and it wasn't bad. I mean, I still didn't um do too bad when it came to risk because I was what I risked on both of these trades combined was less than the target I was going for. So all it's gonna take me is one trade to make up for these two losing trades, and I'll be good. So that's my review for today. I mean, today, like I said, it was a bearish day. I had the correct bias. I just didn't pick the best locations for today, and kind of got chopped up, which doesn't feel great. But I learned my lesson. So really, just look for that A plus setup. Look for them support and resistance zones. And right now, for now, I'm not looking to fade, so I really shouldn't have did that. So we're gonna give this a D, and I give myself a grade of today. Overall, I'll say I give myself a C, say C minus. So what's the lesson for the day? Um, don't feel the need to perform. If the setup isn't there, don't gamble because when you gamble, you will lose. So my focus for tomorrow will be to play only good zones and take A plus setups. So boom, that's my review for the day in the combine. I think this put me down like 300 books in the combine. So I mean, I'm not really tripping about 300 books. I'm still learning, like I said, but today's lesson, learned a valuable lesson. Just look for the great zones, and also it's okay to take small losses as long as when you see that good setup. My plan is to actually step up to the plate and hit it hard. So yeah, that's my review for today, and we're about to do this market prep for tomorrow, and that's it. I'll see y'all on the next video.